You see, it's funny because here's water all around and I just don't know how to come across, because as you can see there's water everywhere. See, water. See, here's just 1.5 centimeter in between. This passage is closed, unfortunately. I have to go around. Or maybe if I would go really fast, if I would go here really fast, then maybe I would come across. Maybe I can make it here. I will make it actually, I can't believe. And the only meter available I will make it across. You see, this is all water. Unbelievable. That's exactly what I wanted to do the last time, but here was not hard enough. Just in 2 days this will all disappear, because today is the only day cold enough. Just look at this beauty. Oh my God. Can you believe it? This is so beautiful, it's indescribable. Just look at this beauty, the first and the only one. Oh, this is deep. This is 6 or 7 centimeters. I just have to be careful there is not some warm current, because there is quite easily the ice thinner. But here, oh my God, this is all really strong. Just look at this beauty. Amazing, just amazing. Whole lake for myself. Okay, so here is thinner, here is just 4.5 centimeters. So now I have to be careful. What a beautiful world we live in. Subscribe. Yes, less than 4 centimeters. Alert on, highest alert on. Just look at my path. See, there's Slivnica where the witches live. Okay. Yes. Just another 10 meters or 20, and that's exactly absolute minimum for safety. You see, there's a spring water. Amazing. Okay, here's better again. You see the water again? You see? Listen to the eyes, he has all the answer. You just have to listen. High alert on, you see where's the water? Okay. 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 There's a passage to go through, but we will keep it safe.